part is when we go and we perform and we do our best, because you know that Knox is a school that always do the best.
Bringing Knox right now, because I like Knox.
Good girl, gone bad. Good girl, gone bad.
I'm very excited and very proud of the students. They've worked so hard. They're a talented set of students, reached this far. And I believe now it's just up to their fans and those who support Knox to vote for them. I want them to remain calm and to trust their talents, that they have done well enough to win this championship.
Me I support Knox.
Why are you supporting Knox?
Come on, knees on it.
I'm thankful to God and to all the persons who have supported us throughout the season. It's overall a very enriching experience.
There's no question about it. Knox is winning all together sing. We are the best choir.
Knox for the win, all together sing. Simo said that.
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath. Scared to rock the boat, I made a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely.
I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let it push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything.
But I got up, already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear